Introducing the MZYMI Wireless Neckband Earphones. Your ultimate audio companion for work, play, and everything in between. Inside the box, you'll find the i35 Bluetooth headphones, a Type-C charging cable, a user manual, and a carrying bag to keep your earphones safe on the go. Powered by a massive 1000 mAh battery, the MZYMI earphones deliver an incredible 200 hours of playtime at just 80% volume, meaning you can listen for days without worrying about recharging. And if you're short on time, a quick 10-minute charge gives you up to 10 hours of playback. Stay powered, stay connected. Designed for comfort, each earbud weighs less than 5 grams and fits snugly with 3 different sizes of soft caps. Perfect for all-day use. Thanks to Bluetooth 5.1 technology, you'll enjoy fast, stable connections with low latency and low power consumption. Connect effortlessly to your phone, laptop, or tablet within 15 meters. Whether you're on a call, gaming, or streaming music, the 9D hi-fi stereo sound ensures crystal clear audio and powerful bass, even in noisy environments. With its waterproof design, the MZYMI earphones are perfect for workouts, outdoor adventures, and everyday life. Plus, it supports Amazon Alexa, Apple Siri, and Android voice assistants, making hands-free operation easier than ever. The MZYMI i35 Wireless Neckband Earphones. Checkmark 200 hours playtime. Checkmark quick charge. Checkmark waterproof and lightweight. Checkmark hi-fi stereo sound. Checkmark voice assistant compatible. Checkmark ergonomic fit. Available now in stunning colors: black, blue, gray, green, and pink. Buy now from the link in the description below.